The question is, which is based on the cosine formula, a ladder that is 4.7 meter tall is rested against a wall. So always remember, the wall is always vertical and the ladder is a slant. It's 4.7 meter tall and rested against a wall. The base of the ladder, so this is the base of the ladder, to the wall is 2.7. Whenever we think about a ladder, this is a wall, and the ladder always is a crooked ladder. Anyway, this is a ladder. You know that very well. So this is the ladder. This is 4.7, and the base of the ladder to the wall, this one, is measured 2.7 centimeter, and the ladder reaches 3.9 up to the wall. So this is 3.9. Using the cosine rule, calculate the angle that the ladder make against the ground. So this is the ladder and this is the ground, so we have to find this angle. Let's read it again. A ladder that is 4.7 meter tall, that is a ladder, is rested against the wall, right? The base of the ladder to the wall, measures 2.7. Base of the ladder to the wall is 2.7, and the ladder reaches 3.9 meter up. 3.9 meter up the wall. Using the cosine rule, calculate the angle that the ladder makes against the ground. We have to find this angle. Let me make this figure a bit clear. Now what we have here is, this ladder is 4.7 meter tall. As I told you, this is a ladder. This is 4.7. And the distance of the ladder from the base of the wall is 2.7 meter. And it reaches up to 3.9. All units are in measurement. This is a ladder, this is a wall, and this is a ground. We have to calculate this angle. Now to use cosine formula, they have already told you to use cosine formula. If you don't know, there are two conditions when we use in two conditions we can use the cosine formula. First is when all sides are given. So here all sides are given, so it is good to use cosine formula. And second condition is when the two sides, an angle between them is given. When two sides, if this angle is given, no, you cannot use, because we need this side and this side, an angle between them. Then only we can use the cosine formula. Now we have to find this angle. So as I told you earlier, we will start with this and we will end with this. That is a cosine formula. So we can write 3.9 square is equal to, other two sides are 4.7 square plus 2.7 square minus 2 multiply 4.7 multiply 2.7 cos x. So this is the cosine formula, the cosine rule, we are using it. So now we write the values. So this is 15.21 is equal to, so what we have here is 3.9 square is 15.21, 4.7 square is 22.09, 2.7 square is 7.29. Product of this 3 is 25.38 and cos x. So cos x will be 15.21 minus 22.09 minus 7.29 divide by minus 25.38. So this is minus 14.71 and that is minus 25.38. So if you calculate, this will be 0.57959. So let's say up to 4 decimal places. So x will be cos inverse 0.5796. Make sure when you calculate this is in the degree. So when you calculate, your calculator must be on degree and not on radian or gradient. So we have to find cos inverse answer. So that is equal to 54.578. So 54.57, so 54.6. That is 3 significant figures. So the value of this x is 54.6 degree. That is the answer for this question. Let's go to the next question. Now the another question is, a ship is 73 km away from port X. Suppose this is port X and the ship is 73 km away on a bearing of 223 degrees, so it will not work. This is a port and this is 73 km away from X at 235. This is 90, 180, 270, so roughly this. So this angle is 235. The bearing we also always calculate from north. If say due north means the point is on this line. Ship B's and this is from X distance is 73. Ship B is 64 km away from the port X on a bearing 279. And this is 280, so roughly this is 279. And this is 64 km away. So if this is 73, this is 64, and this angle is, this green angle is 279. Calculate the distance between the ship A and the B. So this is ship A, this is ship B. And what is this angle? This is 235, 279. So this angle is 279 minus 235. This is 44. So we have to calculate this distance. Calculate the distance. Now this is also, we are going to use, although they have not told you which rule we are going to use, but now we can see this one, and this one. This is x. This is the angle between them is 44. This is 64. This one is 73. So what they want to know, the distance between these two. So we have to find this distance. So this is a clear-cut case of sine rule, cosine rule, not sine. Two sides and angle between them is given. So we have to find this. Suppose this is, we say this is distance A. So our equation will start with A and the end with cos of 44. This is a cosine rule, so this will be cos. So square of this is equal to square of this, square of this, minus 2, 64, 73, cos of this. That's all. So this all will be on one side and this is another side. So a square is equal to 64 square plus 73 square minus 2 multiply 64 multiply 73 multiply cos 44. Is that simple? So the A will be 2703.488906. So A will be 51.99, and three significant figures, it will be 52 kilometers. When you do it, you can do it directly, that in a calculator, that is 64 square plus 73 square minus 2 multiply 64 multiply 73 multiply cos 44. So you will directly get the answer. Then whatever your answer is there, so you can write a root answer and you will get this. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.